everyone, my name is Stuti and I welcome you all to the official channel of IPM Verse. That's our newest baby and I hope you have explored our website and YouTube channel for IPMAT Verse powered by CH Edgemakers. We are coming up with a lot of videos, a lot of information and the latest updates for you people on our channel. So stay updated and stay tuned with us. Okay, so today I'm going to tell you what is that IPM toppers do that makes them different from the other candidates preparing for IPMAT. All right, number one, completing the comprehensive syllabus twice. Once you have completed your syllabus, it might sound an overwhelming thing to you right now, but believe me, it's not. Once you have completed your syllabus, revise it again, complete it again, right? At CH Edgemakers, we do have the books where students preparing for IPMAT complete those syllabus twice and they are now into the top IIMs. Right? Okay, the next one, dedicated flow for QA and advanced set of problems. तो quantitative aptitude में generally ऐसा होता है, एक flow बना लीजिए और उसके हिसाब से फिर problem solve करिए. Right? We will be coming up with a detailed session on this from the expert of the quantitative aptitude very soon. Solving topic test, very important, right? Toppers do not leave themselves by not solving the topic test. Not just, I'm not talking about mock, I'm coming to mock, but right now I'm talking about the topic test. Topic test मतलब हर एक topic का individual test. I mean at CH Edgemakers we do that, right? So हर एक topic का individual test होता है, वो solve करना है. What happens? What is the benefit? That topic becomes very clear to you, you know? After you have revised, after you have understood the concept, you have solved the questions, and then you take a test of that particular topic, and that becomes really easy for you to understand and have a comprehension about that topic, understanding about that topic. Next, build VA, verbal ability, vocabulary, very important, grammar, very important, right? Idioms and phrases, phrasal verbs, vocabulary, right? All these are very important part. तो ये overnight नहीं होता है, it's a gradual process and that you have to start right from day one when you have started or when you have decided to prepare for IPMAT. तभी से आप ये start कर दीजिए. It's very important. जितना revise कर सकते, see, words are never ending. It's not just for your VRC section or for your IPMAT. Actually, it's for your lifetime. It's going to help you for your lifetime. Next, mock analysis. Just taking mock is not enough. Taking mocks is very important, but just taking mock is not enough. The analysis of the mock has to be done so that you identify your strengths and weaknesses and you do not make the same mistake in the next mock to come. Also, you're very comfortable with the mock, right? You're very comfortable with the pattern. So when you go for the final exam of IPMAT, right, तब आपके लिए कुछ new नहीं रहेगा, surprise नहीं रहेगा, shocking नहीं रहेगा. You'll be like, okay, this is just another mock which we had been giving for so many days. Next, maintain error log. Very important. Please start this one. Maintain error log. What is error log? Error log is that जो mistakes आप कर रहे हैं आपके mocks में, solving में, not just mock, solving में भी, when you're solving the questions, right? और उसमें जो mistakes कर रहे हैं, mistake निकल रही है, उसके लिए एक proper log बनाइए, error लिखिए, किस question में आपको doubt था, right? इसमें क्या error आया था? What was the concept which you did not understand and you made an error on that, right? So error log का भी एक अलग से आप बॉक्स बना लीजिए so that you're very clear कि आगे हमें क्या करना है. Another important thing, revision notebook, very important. Now what do you do in that revision notebook? Whatever. So for example, when I talk about words, right, you cannot just learn the words and cram up the words like that, right? There are different techniques through which you learn the verbs. कभी tree बनाकर कर रहे हैं, कभी group में कर रहे हैं, right? So there are various techniques. Make the notes for that, make a notebook for making those notes in the notebook, right? So that when you revise, you just don't have to do everything all over again. You just have to look, have a pictorial representation of that, and then you are done. You're sorted for the day. You're sorted for the revision. You're sorted for the target, right? Same goes for the QA formulas also. Math के formula के लिए भी यही कर सकते हैं हम, right? Next, very important, start preparing for interview now and do not wait for later. Why? See, at CH Edgemakers again, we make students prepare, their profile and themselves starting from day one. right? We give them that exposure, we make them explore their profile, themselves, their personality, because personalities are not developed just in a night. It's like it's developed over a period of time. You really need time for that. ऐसा नहीं होगा that tomorrow's the interview and you're prepared tonight and then you're done with the interview. आज मैं सारे questions solve कर लूँगी, जो भी questions आते हैं interview में I'll just read them and solve it. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है, please believe me, right? So you need to prepare for interview right from the day you start preparing for your IP Math preparation. Do not wait for later. So these are the things which toppers have really followed, and that's the reason that they are into IIMs today. And that is why these are the things that make them different from the other candidates. I hope it helps. If you like this video, do not forget to share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest notification. I shall see you super soon.